Hey guys, this is Smartphone Hack, and in this video I'm going to unbox this DP LED light which can be used for videography and also for desk purposes. So let's unbox this. The link for this product is in the description, so you can check out there. So first on opening we get the charger and then the light itself. This light claims to be having a 800 mAh battery which can last up to 5 hours. So here is the light, and inside the box we get nothing else. So let's open this light. Here's the light. It is quite foldable. You can fold it up to this length and we can use it for traveling also. It is quite foldable like this. So first we'll remove the seal over the on off button. So the back panel here, it has its model number LED 666, voltage AC 100 to 240, current it can handle 1 ampere to 0.8 watt. So here's it. Let's try to on this. First we'll remove the cover over here. Try to focus this, and as you can see there are 3 buttons: off, on one and on two over here. The on one stands for a soft light. As you can see there are 24 LEDs over here and it's quite bright. So second we'll go for glare 2, that is the glare light, and it's quite bright, I must say. Here you can see the charging port, and there's a red LED light that denotes that the device is charging. Like this we can put up the wire here and we can connect this port to the plug. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos.